I am in the vehicle today, so I won't be able to monitor microphones for the most part. And I won't be able to see a lot of the chit chat, so I'll make sure you guys are watching for any questions or anything that's going on. Hold on a second. What is this doing? Hold on.
YouTube's up.
Thank you. Hold on, let me kill this. All right. TikTok should be coming up here in a minute. Had to make a couple of changes. Second, let me double check this is okay. Video. There we go. That should be better. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I am. Okay, there we go. Let me change this. Sorry, gang. New system, so working out the bugs. Should be good here in a second. One second. I'm gonna shut this TikTok down for 1 second. I see a setting that should be changed. Hold on. While we're doing that, of course, you guys have already got your hot stock picks. You already know what to do. Everybody in the room, on your 3 to 5 charts that you stare at every day, you already know what you're supposed to be doing. You are supposed to chart out pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low right now, right? Okay, great.
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Also started creating a line for last week's high, last week's low, based on Ange's training that she did a couple months ago.
Yeah, good.
A good critical line there too.
Yes, excellent. Kodak. Okay, good. All right, here we go. Let's try this live. All right, here we go. Now we're cooking with gas. That should be better. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man, thank you so much. Remember, here at American Dream Trading, we will never send out any friend requests. We will never direct message you. If you need our help, underneath the free education area, you'll see help desk support. So we will never reach out to you ever. Here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is going to be for training and education purposes only. It is June 16th. Real quick, thank you everybody for all those birthday wishes. Thank you for all the digital cards. You guys were absolutely amazing. I appreciate every single one of you. I read them all. I saw them all. Thank you so much. Much love. Felt great to feel appreciated. Sometimes just the little act of kindness goes a long way. So I appreciate all of you. You did not have to do that. Thank you so much. We had a good time. We went to New York. We went to Broadway. We saw Glenn Gary Ross. That was awesome. That was very cool. We got to do the NBC studios. We got to do a little tour of NBC studios. We went to my wife's favorite restaurant, Sea Fire Restaurant, I believe is what it's called. I think it's on, I want to say it's on 54th Street, but absolutely amazing. We always go there. We do one fancy dinner while we're there. It's kind of our dinner, lunch, and dinner type of thing. So thank you again, everybody, because you guys paid for the dinner. So thank you, and some of the play. So thank you so much. You guys are absolutely amazing. Love your faces. Thank you again. Good times. Got to get out, get the old batteries recharged. Hopefully everybody had an amazing Father's Day weekend. Thank you again, all you fathers. Appreciate you. It is now 9:10 on the 16th. I want to thank all of my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world.
Honk, honk, honk.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll take it. Thank you. Real quick, I'm going to play my little 4-minute spiel. This is just what we have for our products and services. Oh, and congratulations to everybody that took advantage of the super ridiculous Diamond Lifetime Membership sale. That's over. So congratulations. Again, though, if you guys want to take advantage of it, is now $20,000. We can do 4 easy payments of $5,000 a month if you want. If you want to buy anything a la carte, just regular lifetime membership to any of our membership services, we have over 10 of them. They are $5,000 each. We also have the mentorship program a la carte if you guys want to get access to that. Of course, if you're a Diamond member, you have access to everything. So congratulations, those of you that were able to take advantage of the super sale that I ran way too long, but I wanted to make sure everybody had access to it. So I'm going to play my membership services real quick right now. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the services real quick right now. .com, the free Discord. You will get an, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc., all inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc., set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course, all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos, anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now, the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that with just this $5,000. Now listen, if you can't get into the Diamond right now, don't freak out. It'll just be $20,000. So it's no big deal. If you can't get it today, don't worry. You can still get it, but it's going to be 20 grand. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up. All right, there you go. And like I said, that deal is now over. We will be making edits on that. So somebody in my moderation team, go over to the media channel and
I'll take care of it, Coach.
there you go. Thank you. We'll just clip some
You're
of that
welcome.
out, obviously. Amazing. Appreciate that.
Welcome.
We're going to be ready to rock and roll today. I hope you guys are all ready. Hope you're ready to churn and burn, baby. Our members are already starting to make money this morning. We've got almost 250 people in here, and it's only 9:15. Market doesn't start until 9:30 Eastern. We're here every single day. I am live from 9 to 11. Mark comes on and trains you with the futures and trades with you with futures every day from 2 to 4. And then Dawn comes on with the aftermarket program every day at 5. So 3 times a day. Make sure you guys double tap that screen, click follow, share if you're feeling really generous. We appreciate it. Market is up so far this morning. Doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. You can see SPY is up already over 0.5%. Same with Apple, the Qs. Tesla was up already over 2% this morning, now at 1.8. Sorry, I'm getting Internet's acting silly, it's telling me. Should come back up in a second. If I cut in and out again, I apologize. I am parked in a different place today. I'm in my vehicle. I'm just parked, obviously. But that way I'm not stuck in the home office today. If I get kicked all the way off, moderators, of course, will take over. It's business as usual whenever I'm not here, so don't panic, don't freak out. We'll be all right. We've got about 11 minutes to the bell. Make sure you guys follow all of the rules, not some, all of the rules. Never lose more than 1 to 3% total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and stop trading with real money. Go back to simulate trading. If you're a new trader or while you are in training, you should be using a simulated, meaning a paper account or a fake account during that process to get you, set up, squared away, get your mechanics down, understand the flow, what's going on, how the different markets work. Never trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you are a new trader. Small position sizes. Do not go with large position sizes. I want everybody small position sizes and stops on each and every trade. Risk management is everything to what we do. Journal. Make sure you journal every single day. It will help you out. Follow the strategies. If you're a scalper, 2-minute EWO, maybe you're doing the wheel option strategy, right? Maybe you're doing some long-term investments. Maybe you're doing a 1 hour or a 4-hour EWO, right? Make sure you are following the rules and strategies for that strategy. Don't combine strategies. Now, obviously, when you get really good and you're doing a 2-minute EWO, we do have an advanced 2-minute EWO you can do. It's much harder, but you must have mastered the 2-minute EWO before you start going into advanced. Advanced, you're going to start to combine some scalping inside of the 2-minute EWO to maximize gains. Okay. David, of course, will be walking you through a live full 2-minute EWO each and every morning here over in the live Apple chat. If you guys like what David is doing, make sure you guys are posting every day in the stock lounge if you'd like to keep that channel going. Everybody do me a favor because we have 10 minutes left. I want everybody right now to go over to the stock lounge and post something about American Dream Trading. Can be anything you want. Go ahead and post. If you guys are watching us on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Kick, Tumble, Rumble, Snapchat, whatever the hell, Facebook, MySpace, whatever you're watching us on today, post something right now. Something you've learned from American Dream Trading. If you're brand new here, post, I'm brand new here. Right? Tell us a little bit about yourself. I want to see everybody typing right now in all of the areas. If you're on Discord, type it in the Discord in the stock lounge. TikTok, type. Let's see it. Type. By the way, if you guys are watching over on TikTok, you can hit that little subscribe button right up there on the top. It does help the algorithm. See it up there on the top? Ding! Thank you for all those gifts. Appreciate you. 8 minutes to the bell. Thank you. Specials we got going on today. We got a nice one. If you guys buy 12 months of VIP, we will include 6 months of VIP Gold for free, which will renew at the regular rates. If you guys buy 6 months of VIP, we will give you 3 months free VIP Gold, which will renew at the regular rates. These are for new members only. New members only for these discounts. Take advantage of that. By the way, I am going to work with Bruno later this week or today, and we are going to come up with our all-inclusive diamond monthly membership, which will get you access to all of our services. So if you've ever wanted to just get a monthly membership to everything we have, crypto, futures, everything we have, look for that. It's probably going to exclude mentorship just because the cost would become so high for the monthly, but we'll look at it, okay? We'll look at it. If you're a diamond lifetime member, you get mentorship in that. We added that, but for monthly, I probably won't add it because the cost will, your monthly rate would be so high. We'll see though. I'm working on it, all right? I'm working on it. Don't worry, we've also got our platinum plan coming up with platinum that will allow you, at least in my head, and I'm trying to figure this out and how it's going to work and which moderators will actually do it and which ones won't and how do we do it and what's the schedule going to be and if we do, are people going to make, show up, and it's still on the fence. I'm still thinking about it. But this one would allow you to watch us, right? Some of us millionaires trading a live account without doing the training. So it would literally just be watching us so you can see exactly how we're doing what we're doing without the conversations and, all the things. So you can actually see when we're dialed in, laser focused, and doing the actual trading. And I think some of you might like that.
Can't
Nice.
wait, Coach.
Yes, thank you. So I'm trying to work that out. That one's going to be the hardest thing I've ever done because to be able to get moderators in a room at X time and to trade live, they're all, everybody's going to be skittish and all the things. It's going to be really hard. So I'm really pushing to see exactly how I can do this, what I can do. If I can't get it to the way that I want, number one, we won't do it because I don't do that, right? If it's not the best the world has ever seen, I don't want nothing to do with it. But if I can't get it to the way that I want, we're going to go back into what I was talking about before, which is going to be the American Dream Trading Television Network, right? ADT TV. With that, of course, it'll be me and some other moderators or, some other moderators, 2 to 4 people inside of that room just discussing and if they wanted to trade or not. But more of all of us in the same room at the same time, working our magic, doing the things and all the stuff. So I got a couple of cool ideas bouncing around. I just have to figure out the best way to implement them, make sure they happen, make sure the pricing is right and everybody loves what we do and all the stuff. But I can tell you right now, if it's not going to be the best the world has ever seen, I don't want nothing to do with it. It is not going to exist on American Dream Trading. Because if it does not create actual value, does not make you a better stock market, futures, options, crypto trader, there's no reason to have it. So I'm working on it. It's all behind the scenes. I'm doing everything I can to try to get us the latest, the greatest, the most technically advanced, the best, right, overlays for trading view, the best trainers, the best trading sessions, right, the highest, the most amount of profits the world has ever seen. We try to do all the things, but we want to make sure we do it the best. That's why we are top rated in our industry in the world. This is why we are one of the most successful, largest, and fastest growing stock market education companies the world has ever seen before. And we will continue to do that. 3 minutes to the bell. Apple pulling back, the whole market, as you can see. Now remember, pay attention now, this is a big one. We already know this. If the market ran up in the pre-market, most likely, what is it going to want to do at the open? Anybody?
Gonna go down,
Pull
down,
back.
down.
That's right. It's going to want to pull back, right? So everybody be cool with that. Setting up my trading session now. I will be live trading a futures account today. It's not prop firm. This will be real live, in your face transactions, of course. If it was off of my prop firm accounts, which I do have some, I haven't traded them in months. But if I do, I always tell you, just to be transparent, even though remember, you don't pay me to trade. Nobody gives two beeps what I do. You pay me to train you, not for you to watch me trade. So it doesn't really matter, but I'm just letting you know. All right, let me 1 second. I need to turn my computer into do not disturb mode. I do not want all these pop-ups while I am trying to train or trade. Do not disturb. Turn it on. Yes, thank you. Don't want to see your face anymore. Goodbye. There we go. Moderators, just let me know if TikTok or one of the other systems go down because I just turned off all the alerts so I can actually concentrate. Thank you. All right, here we go. 1 minute to the bell. I don't know how long I'm going to be here today, by the way. I've got some people coming over and I don't know what time, so if I got to dip out, nobody freak out and panic on me. Thank you for those new subscribers over there on TikTok. Thank you for hitting that subscribe up on the top. Appreciate that. Our goal is 100 subscribers. Everybody hit subscribe up top. Over on TikTok. See it up there? Thank you. Hit that little subscribe. Looks like a star. Hit that star. Going for 100. Hit it. Up there. Get it. Everybody subscribe. Helps the algorithm. It's the only reason we're doing it. Appreciate you. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll, everybody. Kick some butt. Let's do it. If you have any call outs, make sure they're clear and concise. Thank you. There goes Apple pulling back. SPY just touched the 200 and bounced. SPY, huge bounce off that 200. Wow, right? I did not really pull back at all. Looking for a big old pullback. It hit the 200 and went bang. Remember, the first 3 to 8 minutes is the most volatile time of day, right, gang? Everybody be cool. SPY will be on a double top at 601.40. Double top on 601.40. Make sure you guys call out the first 2-minute EWO when you catch them, please. Apple is 2-minute EWO to the downside. Just be careful over there, though. Apple's been up all morning. All right, SPY coming up on this double top. Double top on SPY coming up. Still waiting. Just waiting to see what this wants to do. Nice push on SPY. Look at this. SPY breaking through the double top. See if it'll hold. SPY up here on that double top. See if we get a little bit of a flush. There it goes. I'll take it. Watching SPY. SPY staying.
SOXO broke previous day high.
Thank you. SPY staying up nice and tall here still. Watching it. Second. Sorry, just getting my other screen up. There we go. All right, SPY still staying up nice and tall here. Up on that double top though. Gotta watch this whole area here. I'm gonna pull up the Qs. Q's still staying up tall. Apple's still pulling back.
Volunteer to the upside, up 4%.
Thank you.
OP big candle.
Thank you. SPY staying up tall. Have to watch this whole area on SPY right here. Double top area still on SPY. Looking for a pullback up here. Waiting, waiting, waiting. 934. SPY starting to get a little bit of a push here. There's that pullback. I should have set up on that. Hesitated. That was a beautiful double top pullback. I waited too long. Nice. Anybody get on that double top pullback on SPY? That was nice. Good job. Good job. All right, waiting. We're in a waiting pattern here. See if we're going to break up here new highs. Or if we're going to pull back more. SPY still pulling back off that double top, but it is staying up tall. See what it wants to do here. If you got in on that double top pullback, great job. Just waiting now, being a little patient. I want to see if this is going to bounce off this 9. If it does, I'll look at going long. Otherwise, I'm going to wait. Who made money on that pullback on SPY up there? Talk to me. Nice job. Whoever you are, I know you're busy trading then. Good job. All right, see if we're going to get the bounce here or not off this 9. There we go, getting a little bit of a bounce, not a ton. Starting to get a nice push here. Nice, nice, great, beautiful bounce. That was a nice bounce off that 9. Should have hammered it again. Little hesitant today. Haven't really done anything one trade. Oh, being overly cautious first day back in the market, but that was beautiful. So we had the pullback, hit the 9, back to the upside, back in that pullback range again. It's beautiful. all the way back up here in the ceiling again. Staying up tall. See if we can get a push. There it goes. See if we get a little more. If it's going to do that, though, I want to see that thing make new highs and get a nice candle out of there, right? Otherwise, they're still in that pullback resistance area. Still waiting, being patient.
It's like a PLTR. It's pretty high.
PLTR, new high a day, is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. SPY up here, still on resistance, pulling back again. It's consolidating and staying up nicely. I'll take it for a little ride here. See if we get a nice push. It's up there. It's trying to make new highs. There it goes.
You got previous day high there too, boss.
Which is what?
601.85.
Thank you. There we go. Come on, get that push. Just teetering up here. Still thinking about it. Come on, get some volume in there and push this thing. Keeps hitting that exact same level and then pulls back. It still hasn't broke through. My internet is a little sketch. Don't like that. I want to put a hard stop in here just because my internet is so jacked. I don't want it to crash out. I don't need my internet to go all hokey on me, come back, and it's down 30 grand, right? Still up there on that ceiling. Staying up tall, but it needs a big push to get it through there. Consolidation around this 601.40. Getting heavy. Yep, stop me out. Got too heavy. Couldn't break. Could not break. Came back down, bounced, still sitting up there on that ceiling. Let's see. Yeah. Still trying to push through up here. Was trying to make that move again. My stop was obviously too tight. It got wicked out. That was the longest candle in there, though, that I got wicked out on. Move this to here. That's what it'll be. Here to here to here. That's our danger. That's our chop zone right there. Everybody see it on my screen?
Yep.
Still fighting up there. Nothing really going on. Anybody see anything else running? Anything happening? Here we go. Starting to get a little bit of a pop.
No,
AMD.
now I'm a big 7.
Amazon's breaking out above VWAP right now.
To the upside. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, to the upside. Sorry.
All right, thank you.
Oh, here is here. You spy.
Starting to break through. Come on, Spy. Get up there and rip, right? You're up there. You're in the clouds now.
Former hot stock from last week, QUBT, new high of day.
Thank you. Just hit, was that previous day high, 601.85?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, boss.
Thank you.
Yeah, and on top of that, it was a big 7. Seems to lose steam too, so
Yep, yep.
I don't like it.
Big old pullback right there.
SKYQ is up 114%, moving
Right.
up.
Thank you. Boy, I am trading these ass backwards today. Come on now. Longing on the top, shorting on the bottoms. Come on, coach, wake up. Come on, need to see some volume in here. This thing to pick up.
You got a case of the Mondays.
I do, I really do.
It's right in the shopping zone right now.
It is. I'd like to see this get a nice spike bounce off that 21. Break through the 9 here, get a push, make new high a day, and just climb. That's what we're looking
It needs
for.
to go above 602.
Yep. Yep, I agree. Just sitting here in the chop. There it goes. There it goes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I had my stop up there and it took profit. Oh. Whoops. That's why I never have a take profit. Everybody see that? Hopefully you guys saw that, right? Does everybody see where it took profit up there? Because I accidentally left my take profit up.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Whoops. So instead of a $8,000 profit, I took 4.
Oh, that's so tragic, coach.
I know it's bullshit. I'm calling bullshit on that, right? It's a good little pop there, though. That's what I was looking for. Nice set of volume to come spike in, right? That was very nice. So now what I'll do, since I made what I wanted to make for the day, just gonna go in small, use my stop losses, start buying at market order. I just told myself I'd make between $3,000 and $10,000 today and be done. No big deal. Get in, get out. Right? Get in, get green, get out. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, sir. Coach, you were down like 5. How much was that last one you got?
Must have been 9,000.
Nice.
Yeah, I think I might have been down 6, so it might have been 10,000. Yep. Yeah, I think it was part. Oh, it was because I had my stop around 11. My take profit was like 11,000 something, wasn't it? So yeah, I think I got about 10K off that trade.
Coach, 6 days in a row of being green. Thanks to your challenge, man.
Yes. So much better. Speaking of that, don't forget everybody, right? When we get in there, right, and you get green for the day, be done. Don't overtrade. Am I right? Telling you, you watch, your account will grow so fast you would freak out because think about it. If you kept incorporating all those red days in there, it was taking all that money away. I'm telling you, those little bits add up so fast, right?
Absolutely, coach.
Good job, partner. Proud of you, man. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you. Couldn't have done without you, brother.
Appreciate you. Checks in the mail.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah.
Yay. All right, here we go. This is starting to make a little bit of a nice move. I love in the way this is staying flat up here. I don't know if this is... Yeah, that might be too big of a stop. All right, it's going to go to 10 ticks. I missed the buy. You can see it sitting on my screen. It took off without me. See it? Bye-bye. That's the only problem with buying at limit, right, gang? It's okay. I'll reset. It's all right. Staying up nice and tall, though. Loving that. So let's flip this then to market to make sure I get it. It's going to be 60.83. right there. No, should actually be 60.82 should be my stop. I'm looking at this candle, these candles down here. You can see here if at market bought here, then my stop was at 6082. Total risk of the trade is about 475, which is about 10%, give or take, of the total that I've made. That's about all I'm willing to risk at that point. Still be a profitable day. Oh, there it goes. Wow. Protecting my stop or my trade. I'm in it. Made more money. Good. Locked in. The rest of the day, free trade, right? That's it.
15% on Amazon, coach.
Yes. Good job. 40.
Bounced, Amazon's bouncing off the 200 right now. That's right where I had my stop. I mean I know you don't like sell orders, but or take profits. I like it because I get it right at the peak of give me all of my money.
I got you. I hear you, brother. And then you can always re-enter once you break new high day over there, right?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Yes, sir.
I see you. I like the way you're rolling. Listen, I don't always not do the take profit because in my mind, I do that when I hit key critical resistance levels, right? I just manually do it, but it's the same principle, right? So I'm not adverse to it. I just take it a different way instead of mechanically. When it hits that area, I take it. And you guys could do the same, except think of it this way. If you had 10 contracts, you could set 5 to be at that spot, right? Because you want to shed, not take all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Great job. Nice trade. Beautiful work. 60.87. 60.87.
Coach Soxel's aggressively approaching 8%.
Yes, I love it. If only there were a place that would have told you a Soxel fire sale at 7, right?
We made a video about it.
Very nice.
You've been talking Soxel for quite a few weeks now.
I think I'm part owner of the company now. Thank you.
I love it. I love it. That's what I like to hear. Why did that not get that stop loss in there? All right, then I'm going to go tighter. I don't know why that stop loss didn't. There it goes. Come on, get up there.
Your predictions on Soxel, Tesla, and NVIDIA over the past couple of weeks would have gotten people paid if they took advantage and listened to the sound of your voice.
Absolutely. It would have paid for all their Diamond lifetime memberships. That's a fact.
Absolutely.
You bet all your freaking cheeks.
Yep, all the cheeks.
All of them.
All of the all the cheeks all the time.
Cheek man.
Cheeks. Holy cheeks. Look at this. What a beautiful looking climb here for SPY. Am I right? Wow. Oh, by the way, SPY is getting close now to all-time stock market history high. If you guys have been a part of American Dream Trading, hopefully you've been comforted in knowing, getting your real news and information here, where I told you nobody panic, sell, nobody act a fool, stop crying, there's nothing major going on. I've been telling you every freaking day you've been here to just hang in there, buy the dip, let it rip, turn on the drip, make the cash, get the Diamond lifetime memberships, rock and roll.
We still have room. We were at 6, I think it was 613 in that zone.
611.
All-time high. Yeah, I'm looking at it like, because I still have some level at 612 and some change.
Yeah, I mean, we're almost there.
We're almost there.
Think of it this way. The market's gone up 1%, which is $6. So if the market goes up another 1.5%, we're at all-time stock market history high. How's that sound, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah, and you remember 2 months ago, like, oh my gosh, it's scratching. Laughing.
Yeah, and I remember telling everybody don't panic on that and everybody make bank, right?
I was gonna say, and
Right.
that's without rate cuts too, Coach. That's freaking incredible.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Could you imagine if the rates were cut like they should be right now, right?
Dude, we'd all have wheelbarrows full of cash.
Cash in a flash. Yeah, all-time stock market high is at 611. We're at 603. Right? We've already hit 606 once. We're all the way back up here to the greatest the US stock market has ever been in history. Oh, what do you know? So you
1
can't
minute to shift change.
Thank you. So you can't talk about egg prices, you can't talk about energy, you can't talk about the stock market, you can't talk about, right, anything closing down. Yeah, I think we're all right. I think we're cool, everybody. I think we're all right. We're good. Let's rock and roll. Who's
Watch that
making
shift.
money today? Open your mics. Let the world know right now.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
15%.
Whoa, this guy.
Bitmain, baby. Huge candle.
Apple is
Thank you,
taking
Coach.
off, by the way.
20
Apple
seconds.
just went kaboot nuts.
20 seconds to shift change.
Watch this shift change last Thursday or Friday at shift change.
Yeah.
It shot up.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 2 seconds.
Maximum dynamic force.
See where the volume's at. Oh crap, I did stop instead of market. Oh my gosh, I had it loaded.
Thought you were supposed to be doing small positions since you already hit your target.
Oh, you know what? Good call. Okay, my bad.
Come on, come on.
My bad. Thank you. Thank you for the voice of reasoning.
That's what my daughter does every now and then, smacks me on the head.
Thank
Like,
you.
what are you doing?
Yep. It's funny how fast greed takes over, right, partner?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I was like, we're gonna go big. We're gonna make $1 million. Stop. Stop being a fool, right?
Hey, David, how are your calls doing? Because it's going on Apple.
23% on my 10 runners.
Great job, partner. Good job.
Apple Chat, baby. Apple Chat.
Apple Chat for the win.
My
good
first
God.
one on the downside, though, that one got me. I collected something on the downside, but on the way back up, it ended up getting me. So I took a little bit of a loss on my first trade, but this one already made it up.
Nice job, partner.
I mean, this morning Apple was super choppy.
It
Like
was.
earlier. Holy cow.
Yep, super chop. Only went 5 on here. Tighter stop. It's about I think it was a $500 risk on the trade. Stop's got to be a little looser. I need the candle for it. Just want to see it break up here again. Put my stop in place. SPY, though, the way it's staying up so tall like this, it is really set up for success. It's crazy too because the way when the volume comes in, the way the candles are shooting like that, that's institutional buys. You guys realize it when it does that, right? Just got stopped out.
Yeah.
It's major institutional buys when it does that.
They know something we don't.
Well, they're doing it in increments. They're buying in increments so it doesn't force the entire market to drive up like all at once.
Uh-huh.
So they do it in bits. Million shares. Wait 7 minutes. Million shares. You know what I mean? It's like slowly in there, but we see it because it's still enough that it's creating that spike in volume. They do that because otherwise they'll get a worse price. Think about it. If they bought too many at once, super spikes the market, everybody catches onto that wave and starts riding it, they have to pay a premium. So they buy little bits at a time and let it pull back, little bits at a time, let it pull back, right?
That's 100% correct, Coach. They
Yep,
stair step it up.
that's right. Because otherwise they have to pay a huge premium because they accidentally, bought too much, spiked it up.
Speaking of stair stepping up, QUBT still making new highs, still stair stepping straight up, no stopping.
Great job.
And the other way is true too. You remember when Elon was selling all his Tesla share? It was like red, 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 green, red, 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 green, red, 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 green. It was so much fun to trade that day.
Yes, nice job.
Coach, could this also be that people were betting the wrong way, that the war was going to be worse than it ended
Oh
up being?
yeah. Yeah, they could be getting squeezed bad over here. Yep. I'm telling you, this is set up so nice right here for long. The way it's staying up here is just freaking beautiful.
And it started off at a beautiful 2-minute EWO this morning.
Oh yeah, and we had that nice beautiful pre-market setup where it was already showing us nice and high, right? A lot of good things. And SPY is respecting the hell out of this 9 right now in the 1 minute. Everybody see it? Come on, I just need a little more pop so I can set my stop up here. Yeah, watch for this 9. This is what it's been respecting this whole time. You see it? Stay above there. Oh, I got stopped out. That 9, that's going to be everything. Gave some back. Still up 2. It's got to stay above this 9 right here. I got wicked out. So I had a little bit bigger stop just so I didn't get wicked out like that because it's still respecting this area. I'll get a nice push through here off the 9. Still holding the spot. Oh, don't like that. Didn't like that candle. I just gave back. I did. See what it's gonna do here. Yeah, that other can, I didn't like the way this candle went in off of that last one. That should have bounced. It didn't. That's why I got out right there.
Fits perfectly in a wedge on SPY though.
Look at that. That's exactly why right there. I didn't like that candle. See it? Let's check the cues. Yep, the cues are up on the 9 right here.
Tesla's showing some strength.
On the 2-minute. All right.
Careful, Tesla is is at the 200.
Yeah, look at these candles. These are bleeding out candles over here on SPY. Come on, you got to bounce here off this 21. This is it. This is everything right here. Take it for a quick bounce. See if it's going to bounce right off this spot. If it doesn't, I'll short it below the 21. I see the cues on the 2-minute riding the 21 right here too. Like I said, if it's going to bounce, it has to be here. Give me 1 second, gang. Sorry, gang, I'm back. Come on, get that bounce, right? You guys with me? Anybody there?
Coach.
Just on your
Yes,
road,
sir.
coach.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. There it goes. We'll take it.
Oh, nice. 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 Let me get that. Thank you very much. Come
Yep.
again.
Yep, I was down 15, back up 3. That was a $4,500 trade. Starting to overtrade a bit. But I got that nice bounce off the 21. Hopefully you guys all caught that with me, right?
Yep. Took a little bit. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, nice. I know. I'm like, oh, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm getting there too, partner.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not gonna do normal Brock stuff and mess up. Y'all have a great, fantastic day. God bless. Y'all kill them.
Good job,
I'm
partner.
done.
Hey, way to get out when you're green. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'll let y'all know real quick. Let me look. What's the total?
Good job.
It was 15%, but I just grabbed a little something else on them.
Good job.
Total count today 4.40%.
Nice job. How's that feel?
Feels great, coach, to follow the rules. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes. And now here's what the beauty of this is. Walk away up, start again tomorrow. Freaking beautiful start to your week, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. God bless. Y'all should have got them diamonds.
That's what I'm saying. Nice job, brother. Go have a
Oh
great day.
man, y'all have a good one. God bless.
All
Love you,
right.
love you, love you,
Love you
coach.
too,
Appreciate
man. Nice
y'all. God
job.
bless.
Good
Good
job.
job, brother. Have a great day.
Yes, yes.
All right,
Miranda, you in
listen.
here? Maria?
Maria.
Yes, sir, Brock. I heard you go.
Oh, all
Now
right, watch
walk
out, girl.
away. Walk
Follow
away.
them rules.
Walk away.
All right.
Take that green.
Now, anybody else that's in the room? Anybody else that's in the room? Is anybody green for the day where you should not be over trading right now?
Yes, sir. One green trade and I'm out.
All right, you're
I'm
on.
green.
Yep.
5-6, coach.
That's
5-6.
it.
Coach.
Lock it in. Lock it in right now.
Coach, I'm up $2,300, but it's paper, so but that's
Everybody that is right, if you're green,
30.
lock it in. Do you hear me?
Locked in, coach.
Thank you. Let's not get greedy, right?
TikTok went down when you get a chance, coach.
Oh, did it? Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, got stopped out. All right. Where am I at? I'm up 2,700 for the day. Well, my goal was, what was it, 3 to 10, so I'm at goal. What do you guys think? Should I lock it in for the day, walk away up 2,700 bucks, be done with it? 10, 15?
100%. 100%.
Yes, sir. You
40
should, but you probably won't.
40.
That's enough for a Big Mac.
Well, that's your role, coach. Get green,
Lock
get
it
out.
in, coach. Lock it in. Lock it in.
All right, I will.
Lock it in, bud.
I'll lock it in.
Mike's a quitter. Keep going.
That's a Rolex, man.
Green over greed, baby.
I
Green
agree.
over greed.
I agree. And you know what I'm going to do? I will take this, the money that I make today, I will pull it out, and I will put it into, I've been taking the earnings out of it, putting it into my cash account, and then I've been buying the high yield max stocks that we talk about in VIP. I've been doing that every day.
Genius.
Yep.
Same here, coach, every week.
Yep. Now I've been putting it into my separate little cash account here because I just wanted to see how quick I can add it up. Right? I've been taking it out, putting it over there, taking it out, putting it over there. It's not my long-term like big account. This is just my day trading for the last week. I've been taking it out, putting it over there. As a matter of fact, what am I at? Right here. So last week, $10,746. See it? I've been able to buy 500 shares. Everybody see it? There you go. I'm going to do the same today. The money that I've made today, I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to pop it over in that account.
Hey, Coach, which yield max are you in?
I cannot discuss that in this room.
Oh, sorry.
But if you were quick enough, you saw it on my screen. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink, right? Man, this thing is respecting the 9. This is beautiful. It really wants me to hit this. I can
I
tell.
couldn't see your screen, coach, because my eyes were so misty.
Right. I hear you. I hear you on that.
I see what you did there.
Yeah.
Dawn.
Yeah, Don, I see what you did. Thank you.
I have no idea what just happened.
Womp womp.
Dawn, you're so good, Dawn.
Coach, my eyes for Tesla.
Come on, baby. What's this
No,
gonna do?
serious.
There it goes. Hey, nobody saw me take one more trade though, right? Nobody saw it?
I knew it.
Nothing to see here.
All right.
Don't worry, coach. I won't tell coach.
All right, thank you. And I am gonna be done. I am gonna be done except for right. No. And right? I mean, listen, this thing is set up so freaking beautifully. I told you though, right?
Not stopping.
That's greed talking.
I know it. It's respecting that 9 all day. Hey, if I double my earnings right now, I will have paid for this. I'll have paid for this watch on my wrist.
Bullshit. Oh man. That's a trader for you though. He can't resist a good setup.
Yeah, well, it's just respecting the 9. It's climbing all day.
I know, I see it. I'm
Oh.
in it on Bitcoin.
Oh my gosh. But, the beauty of it is, think about it. So what did I make today? 3,700 bucks, right? That $3,700 will now, I'll move it. Now it will make me money every day. So my money that I worked for today, it took me a whole 50 minutes, less than an hour to make $4,000 will now work for me forever, right?
That is awesome.
Think about this. That the money I've made in the last 50 minutes paid for most of my New York trip. It paid for, well, the room was kind of expensive because I had a terrace in Upper Manhattan, but it paid for my room. So that just paid for a 4-day stay in one of the nicest suites you can get in New York, right? There you go. At least the 4
Oh,
star.
so
That's awesome.
that wasn't Hell's Kitchen.
Nope. Nope. And there you go. Just like that. It's under an hour. Where else, by the way, under an hour, are you going to make $4,000? You know how hard I used to have to work for that? You know what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen in the room, right?
We
It's
get
freaking
it.
awesome.
Yes.
If only there were one place where somebody could teach the rest of us how to do that. Oh, wait, we're here. American Dream Trading.
That's right. We're all here. What do you know?
.com.
.com. Thank you. Oh, man.
That sounded like Mark.
It really did. They're
It
getting
did sound
better.
a little bit like him.
It
Yeah.
wasn't Mark. It was me. It was me. Just
Yeah,
me.
they're getting
Doing
better
his
and
Mark
better.
imitation.
Pretty good.
Big
Speaking of
pop
which,
on
shout out to
Apple.
Richard. Richard's coming. He's going to be the guest speaker on the Aftermarket Mindset Master Monday tonight.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, Richard.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
her subject is Torture Monday. Oh, wait a minute. No, maybe not.
Oh, wait. Nice, nice. Oh, and look at that. Still going.
Yeah, if you listen to that angel in red on your
Oh.
shoulder, you'll just keep going.
Look at that. I know. But this time, though, instead of 30 contracts, I did 2. Right? I've already protected my trade. It's free. I'm going to let it go. Bye-bye. Nope, never mind. Made more money, but 37. We're 37. James, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner. Good to see you. James, are you here? You had your hand up.
Yes, sir. I got to unmute. That helps a little bit.
It really does.
I just wanted to say thank you. Had a fabulous morning. Not my usual play on SRM, but I did hear the inflection in your voice, so I went with it. But the main reason for my hand up is we had a question in the YouTube chats.
Yes.
Someone was wanting to know if you got a chance to look at the day chart.
The day chart for SPY?
That's what I'm guessing. That's what you're on. So
All right, let me take a peek. Yeah, I mean it's beautiful though, right? It's been beautiful. If you guys think about it, if you guys were long-term investing off the day chart, right, you can see the bounce was April 20. Well, the buy-in is May 1st. So if you were doing a day EWO, May 1st, right, would have been your first day. You would have had it at 557. See it? And it's been green every day since. That is 6 weeks of green.
Yes, sir. He was saying something about a glitch, but I didn't see anything, so
Yep, yep.
I don't know what he was referring to.
No worries.
But I figured I would ask.
Yep, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Soxel, by the way. Soxel up 9% today. Soxel up 9% today. Jeez.
Yeehaw.
Love it. Look at, oh my gosh, SPY just wants to rip again. Oh my gosh, gang. All right, coach. Small position sizes, not 100 contracts. Everybody be cool. Small positions, use your stop. 6100. You guys can see how I'm setting the stop up in real time, right? You can see my maximum risk right here. You can see it's even set at market order so I don't miss it. You can see that I've told it 6100, which is right here. Reason is because I want to make sure I was right above this level, which should be support. See it? And I've got it down here. Would allow for the wick. Hope that makes sense.
Coach, the banger of the day is AMD.
Oh, good. Is it still ripping? Yeah, that's
has not stopped. Almost up 8%. I mean, every candle is a stair step up.
that's what's I mean, think about it. So Nvidia's up, right? Probably Intel, INTC, check it out, will be up. Nvidia will be up, which is why Soxel is up 9%, because Soxel are all the chips, right? Small accounts, Soxel. I'm telling you. I've been yelling it from the damn rooftops, haven't I?
Been in it all morning.
Freaking glorious.
It is.
On the 2-minute, AMD has not even it touched the 9 one time just a few minutes after the bell, but after that it hadn't even come close to touching the 9.
You're right. Not even a pullback yet.
That's crazy.
It's friggin' beautiful, man. It's nice, nice. Listen, I'm gonna wrap up. First day back. I'm gonna take off like I'm a damn banker. Hopefully, anybody make any money today? Open the mics. Let the world know. Anybody?
Yes.
Coach, I made money.
Yep. Still in stock.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
Sir, here.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Yes.
All the truckers did. Wah.
Thank you. Here we go. Listen, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Don't forget, if you guys want to join us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up today. Again, if you are a new member and you sign up for VIP for 12 months, we'll give you gold 6 months free. It will renew at its regular rate after the fact. If you get 6 months of VIP, we will give you for free 3 months of VIP gold, which will renew at its regular rate after that. If you guys are just interested in trying us out, little try before you buy, we have 2 free days of premium access. 2 free days of premium access. Go to our website, do all the things. Thank you for the follows, the gifts, the likes, the comments, the ba-day. And again, thank you guys for all those amazing birthday digital thank you cards and well wishes. I love your faces. Everybody have a blessed day. Moderators, you have control of the board. Thank you.